At 11:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Shelby, Oregon, 15 miles southwest of Brenham, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tribbles and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Brenham, Sealy, Belleville, Columbus, Eagle Lake, Shelby, San Felipe, Industry, Burton, Monaville, Duelm, Cat Spring, and Fresburg. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. At 11:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Dibble to near on Alaska to near New Waverly to near Todd Mission. Movement was east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: winds in excess of 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tribbles and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Conroe, Huntsville, Brenham, Katy, Tomball, Cleveland, Jersey Village, Navasota, Sealy, Hempstead, Willis, Prairie View, Livingston, Brookshire, Belleville, Columbus, Eagle Lake, Pinehurst, the Woodlands, and Spring. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. This is your NOAA weather radio station, KGG.